amount I have. This is the amount I have on Poppo live stream app as at today that I'm filming this video. And this video will also go up today, March 2025. So guys, this is the newest way you can now make money on Poppo live stream. Poppo came out with a lot of rules and regulation this 2025, and I'm just going to break down some of those rules and regulation for you guys, and also show you guys that yes, you can still make money here. And yes, a lot of my subscribers have been able to ask me as well that, vibe with Sonia, please do a full video for us so for this 2025 update, and that's why I'm here. So right now I have $135.32 USDT. And you can see how much Poppo is paying now. And now let's go to the first way you can actually make money this 2025. So once you register on Poppo, I'm just going to make this quick so that we don't have too lengthy video. The first way you can actually make money from Poppo live stream app right now is for fan club. For those of you that don't know, now what is fan club? Fan clubs are where people actually donate coins to you. If they donate this coin to you, they are going to be joining your club. And if they join your club, Popo is going to what? Send you that money to your fan club. That is basically how fan club works. So any money you make from fan club, it goes directly to where you are going to withdraw. You understand? So, like, take for example, those are the fan clubs that I joined. This particular people here, where you see join clubs, these are the clubs that I joined, and I'm saying I should renew. Now, if I click on renew, you can see that to spend 2,000 coins to enjoy 30 days fan group privilege. Then if I click on confirm, I'm going to be sending them 2,000 coins, and those 2,000 coins is going to be credited to that particular what person that I actually renew my fan club to. You understand? So basically, all you need to do is to tell people to join your fan club. And once they join your fan club, the first stage of the fan club is just 100 coins, and other stages will just keep growing. This is the number one first way. Okay. Now, the second way you can make money from Popo live stream app is invitation. And for this invitation, the beautiful part is every person you bring, you earn $14. But this $14, there is how people calculate their $14, you understand, for each person. Some persons can join and not perform tax. At the end of the day, you are still not going to make that money because they did not perform tax. Now you can see this other person, this Franca, I earned 20,000 coins from her, which is automatically $2. And you can see this other one, the upside, this S guy or lady, I don't know, I earn 10,000 coins, which is automatically $100. If I click on more, you're going to be seeing more. If I adjust my day, you're going to be seeing more. And this is the amount I've been able to achieve just from invites, which is what, 966 USD. It's simply trying to say out of these people that I invited, these are how many that were able to like perform their task. I'm able to make money from them through Popo, right? So anybody you invite, you are going to make money on Popo. That's the beautiful part of Popo. Either you give them your scan code for them to be able to scan, or you click on invite, copy the link, and watch share. For more understanding and clarity, you can click on these rules and read their rules and regulation, how this 14 USDT is being split from one section to another. Okay, now the third place you can make money on Popo is by live streaming, and of which for this live streaming, Popo did not change any rules and regulation when it comes to live streaming. You understand? All you need to do is to click on this live. If you check all of these people that you're seeing here, these persons are also live streaming, right? Now, once you click on live, it's going to show you go live. Then you're going to be on your live stream. Every day you perform tasks, every single day perform tax, and then you get 1,000 coins from Popo live stream app. Initially it started from 2,000 coins before they gradually reduced it to 1,000 coins on Popo live stream app. But you are going to spend 1 hour now. In the next day, exact 5 p.m. Nigerian time, the second one will be updated. So it simply means every day, every 24 hours, your live stream is going to refresh. And once your live stream refresh, automatically you can do what? You can make money. You get my point? All of these people here that you guys are seeing, they are making money on Popo live stream. Now if you go live stream, a lot of people can come and gift you, support you. There are a lot of things that can actually happen in live stream for you to be able to what, to make enough money from Popo. Now Another way you can make money from Poppo is PK. This place you're seeing PK. These are where you play PK with your team and other fellow members on Poppo live stream app. You can see a lot of people also playing PK here. On TikTok, it is called game, where you and your fellow team members will be, or your friends will be playing PK. This PK can also be picked from like a random fellow, you understand. If you want to know how to do this PK step by step, let me know so that I can create a separate video about PK for you guys. So with PK, this is where the bulk money come into play, where people come to support your PK, and then you are making money from that particular support that you are getting from your PK. You understand? So in fact, some persons will even tell you that, some of my friends that I have, they'll tell you that, babe, it's only PK that I play on Poppo and they are making good money on Poppo. So you can check out PK. If you need a detailed video, like I said, let me know. It is not difficult. I will just show you how you can do it step by step. Now, another way you can make money from Poppo live stream, of which a lot of people have been making money from this Poppo live stream, is to open a panel. Open a panel. This place that you are seeing party, you understand, you can create a party. And now once you create a party, you choose on the particular type of party you want to open. Depend on the one you want to open, if it's four, if it's nine, or if it's this one that is more than nine. You open the party and a lot of people will come to your party to come and perform tax. And once these people are performing tax, these are where you are going to be making your money, because to everybody performing tax, any amount of points that they get, Poppo gives you, I think, 30% as a host. You understand? Now let me show you guys things you need to know about party. Okay, so because for party there's a lot of rules and regulation that Poppo has really adjusted. So we need a party that is not too noisy. So I pray I get this one and let it not be too noisy. Okay, like this one now is not noisy. Now you can see that this lady has opened a panel, and you can see this particular person gambling this huge coin on her. This simply means this lady is making a lot of money here. You understand? Now, this is her party, and when people come to sit on this party to perform their tax, they are also going to be throwing some coins on her. That's one. Or they are going to be making money from their own seat, and then as they are going, people will send some percentage to the host, as you guys are seeing here. You understand what I'm trying to say? Now, if you click on the bottom part, this is where there was a lot of rules and regulation that people actually made changes to. And to be honest, those changes, I really didn't take them funny, because it's not making sense, right? So initially for this party, if you click on your reward and you want to withdraw your amount that you've already made here, you can see everything that people say you should do for you to be able to get this every single day. But now the party own has been reduced. You understand? The party own has been reduced to 800, 800. Then apart from it being reduced to 800, now Popo said if not until you get up to 800 in a particular panel or in a party, at the end of the day, this particular 800, they are not going to give you. So that's one of the biggest changes that is really affecting people creating, people trying to use Popo live stream app. But for me, what I'll advise you to do, and what I always advise a lot of my people that come to me to do, is if you want to now look for a party, that's why it is good for you to join an agency, so that that agency will now give you the right party that you should always join, and the agency will always be there to like support you, so that you can get your 800 coins every single day and do what, and carry your coins and go. So that is why I like my agency, King Richie. There is no day I go to his panel to go and perform my party that I don't get up to my 800 coins. I get more than, to be honest, so that I can be able to what, to cash out my money. So that is one thing I'll also advise you. So if you don't have a panel or a, what they call it, if you don't have an agency yet, it is high time for you to go look for an agency that can actually help you, so that at the end of the day you can achieve your party coins and the rest of that, right? Now, another way you can actually make money from Popo live stream app is by people supporting you. Just like this particular person, you can see a lot of things that is going on this panel, where you can see a lot of gifts going up and down. So these are people supporting, and because people are there to support you, you are going to making a lot of money. You understand? If you check this person, and this Nelly, which is another way for you to make money now, is what? Is by gambling. You can see from gambling she has gotten over how many thousand coins. She has gotten over, she has won over 13,200 coins. Here you can see all of her winnings that she has been winning. This is just her winning just for gambling. You can see this lady has made a lot of money this night. What she's doing basically is to gamble on this seat. Are you seeing? And these are what people also do to help themselves. You understand? So if you want to make money on Poppo, you must learn what? How to what? Navigate Poppo live stream app. And now, in another separate video, I will tell you how only you can enjoy your party and then make more money from Poppo. The question is, how do I gamble? Now, how you can gamble is you click on this gift box. And if you click on this gift box, it is going to open those gifts. You will see that one where it is written lucky. I don't know why my network is misbehaving this night. The one that is written lucky, that's the one you will use to gamble successfully on Poppo live stream app. Now, another way you can make money again is by this treasure box. You see this box that is counting, that has been counting down since that we are here. Once it's done counting down, all you need to do is to do what? Click on the box and accept your coins. And once you click on the box and accept your coins is going to be credited to where you can actually use that coins to what? Gamble, play games and do anything. So even if you don't want to invest your money on Poppo live stream app, you can decide to like always collect your treasure box and then use the coins from the treasure box to do what you want to do. You understand? You can see what this lady is really doing here, throwing here, and you can see the amount that this lady is winning massively. Now, if this box is done counting and then shaking, I just go ahead to do what? To click on the box, and then it is going to show me what? That I've accepted 5 coins. This is the least I get, and I get up to 40,000 coins. You understand too? So that is another way you can make money from Poppo. Another way you can make money from people again is what? By what? Playing golden flower. Golden flower is one of the way that a lot of people are making money. So one thing I love about Poppo is Poppo has different method that you can make money, except you choose not to make money on Poppo. You understand? So you can make money from different method on Poppo without even having to stress. So it's one way is not working for you, the other way should be able to work for you. I don't advise you that, oh, you go in and put all once. You understand? So you take it one step at a time, so that if one is not working for you, another one can actually work for you, and then you are good to go. Make money and thank me later. Anyways, thank you so much for staying till coming to the end of this video. If you have any question you want to ask, let me know in the comment section. If you have been using Poppo as well, let me know as well in the comment section. I would really love to know. Now, if you have not joined Poppo, check in the comment section or in the description box. My Poppo link is there. Join, let me know that you've joined, and then we are good to go. If you have not subscribed, subscribe, like, comment, and share. And yes, with no further ado, I do like I always say in my videos. I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye guys. I love you guys. Mwah. Don't forget to subscribe like I've earlier said.